Let's start by understanding what error 0x83200113 means on your PlayStation portal. This error code appears during initial setup or when reconnecting your portal to the PS5. The main cause is a weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal between the two devices. The first fix is to restart both devices. Hold the power button on your PS5 and portal for about 10 seconds until they completely shut down, then power them back on. This clears temporary glitches. Next, make sure your PS5 has a stable internet connection with at least 5 megabits upload speed. For the best results, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Finally, check that your PlayStation Portal and PS5 are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep them relatively close to your router. Within 10 to 15 meters is ideal for a strong signal. To recap the key takeaways, a simple restart often fixes the problem. Using Ethernet provides stable connections, and keeping both devices on the same network close to the router prevents weak signals. If basic restarts haven't resolved the error, let's explore more advanced troubleshooting steps to get your PlayStation Portal connected reliably. First, ensure your PlayStation Portal has the latest firmware. Connect it to a PC using a USB cable and open the PS Remote Play app to check for updates. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal strength in the Portal's settings menu. You need at least 3 bars for reliable connection. If the signal is weak, change your Wi-Fi router's channel to avoid interference from other devices or neighboring networks. Reset the network settings on your portal by navigating to Settings, Network, Reset Network, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Consider using a mesh Wi-Fi system like Netgear Orbi if you have many devices on your network. This can eliminate dead zones and improve connection stability. Make sure your router supports 802.11ac or later standards for better compatibility with the PlayStation Portal. Finally, use WPA3 encryption for enhanced security and better connection stability on your Wi-Fi network. By following these advanced steps systematically, you'll significantly reduce the chances of encountering error 0x832013 again. Remember to contact Sony support if issues persist after trying these solutions.